if you get into oil paint, and if this is something that you really want to do, I highly recommend getting one of these little guys. And the reason is because they've got one of those jam jar lids, but most importantly on the inside, it has this grate with all of these holes. So when it sits inside here, what happens is as you clean your paintbrush, all of the heavy pigment settles to the bottom, and then you'll get clean turpentine on the top. So this type of pot, a turp pot, I maybe clean once a year. So it's not like when you're doing acrylic paint or watercolor where you have these water vessels that you can just dump down the sink. You can't put turpentine down the sink. So when you are cleaning your pots, and I'll go over that with you guys, the excess turpentine or the sludge that's at the bottom, you actually have to take to the fire department. So these are really good because it keeps everything separated and it makes it so that you don't have to clean them as often. There are some cheaper versions out front, but honestly they leak and they're just not good, and you don't want to be cleaning your brush inside the sludge because it's just not going to be clean. So I highly recommend one of these guys.